Both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are expected to be announced in early July, with sales beginning later the same month. While Samsung hasn't confirmed anything officially, leaks have been consistent and exciting. Straight ruler ultra slim design. The Fold 7 could be Samsung's thinnest foldable yet, measuring just 8.2 mm when folded. To put that in perspective, it's thinner than the Oppo Find N5, 8.9 mm. Over 30% slimmer than the Fold 6, 12.2 mm. And nearly half the thickness of the original Galaxy Fold, 17.1 mm. That's a major evolution in foldable design, making the Fold 7 feel more like a regular phone than ever before. Mobile phone display upgrades. According to reports, expect a larger 8-inch inner foldable display and a 6.5-inch outer cover display. These bigger screens aim to improve multitasking, media viewing, and S Pen support, all while remaining sleek and pocketable. Camera with flash 200MP camera surprise. In a major upgrade, Samsung could introduce a 200MP primary camera on the Fold 7. This brings flagship-grade photography to the foldable lineup, perfect for pro-level mobile photography and 8K video. We're still waiting on official word for the telephoto and ultrawide sensors, but if the main sensor gets this boost, the rest might follow suit. Gear performance and storage. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to run on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite, with storage options up to 1 TB, ideal for power users, gamers, and professionals. It will likely come preloaded with One UI 8, based on Android 15, offering new AI-powered features and enhanced multitasking. Moneybag expected price in India. Galaxy Z Fold 7, starting around Indian rupee 164,999. Galaxy Z Flip 7, expected to launch at Indian rupee 109,999. Yes, these are premium devices, but Samsung is clearly packing in premium upgrades. Endero final thoughts. With a sleeker build, next-gen performance, and a massive camera leap, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 5G could become the most powerful foldable smartphone yet. Stay tuned, July might just bring the foldable future to your pocket.